So good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Today we're going to start off with question number 14 of our NCRT. First of all, I'll have to take this thing off the screen. This thing go. Yeah. Now we are good to go. Question number 14 was given as a homework, right? So people who haven't done it, kindly look at it very carefully. There's a 1.2 meter tall girl. This girl is 1.2 meter tall. Yes, sir. This girl is 1.2 meter tall. She's spotting a balloon moving with the wind horizontally at a height of 88.5. The entire height of this balloon is 88.2 meters from the ground. Okay, now some students might make a mistake out here. They will take the distance from here. It's not from here, it's from the ground, the level at which the girl is also standing. And the girl happens to be 1.2 meter tall. So the angle of elevation of the balloon of the eyes at any instant is 60 degree. First it is out here, let's say 60 degree, and then it goes on to reduce to 30 degree. Is it clear? Is the diagram clear? You have to find the distance traveled by the balloon. This distance needs to be calculated. Okay. Now we'll have to assume this triangle. Let's say we have drawn a simplified figure out here. This triangle CAD and CBE. Clear? Now can anybody tell me, in triangle ACD, what is the height of AD? Anyone? Height of AD. This is 1.2. This entire is 88.2. Will the height of AD be 88.2 minus 1.2? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Height of this is 87 as well as BE, which is also equals to BE because of geometry. Clear? These two are equal. Now can we use tan theta out here in this triangle? Tan 60, will it be AD by CD? Yes or no? Confirm. Which implies tan 60 is root 3, AD has come out to be 87. Your CD will be coming out as how much? 87 divided by root 3 meters. Is it clear? Confirm. Don't rationalize it right now. You have to rationalize the final answer. Okay. Finally, you've got to rationalize. We have not got the exact answer out here. We have to find DE. We don't have to find CD. Okay. So unnecessarily don't rationalize. Just keep in mind that your final answer should be rationalized. Okay. Now in the bigger triangle BEC, what do we have? Tan 30 as BE by CE, yes or no? Can anybody tell me what is the value for CE out here? Confirm what is the value for CE. How much?
87 by root 3 because AD is equal to B.
It's 27 by root 3 CD. No. This is CE. In triangle B, don't look at out here. Tell me what is the value for CE. The final answer will, when you subtract this thing, you'll be getting 58 root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by 3. BE is equals to 87. Your CE comes out to be how much? 87 root 3. Clear? Now you have to calculate the final answer, which is the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval DE, which is equal to CD CE minus CD, right? I don't know what they have done out there, but I don't suppose this is correct. CD is how much? 87 root 3 minus 87 divided by root 3. Can we get the final answer? 87 into 3 minus 87 divided by root 3, which is 87 into 2 root 3 will become 3 into 3. We go on to cancel out this thing, we'll be getting out here 2 and 9. 29 into 2 is 58 root 3 meters as the final answer. Everyone kindly confirm, is there any doubt in this numerical? Over here there is bit of printing mistakes, don't do this thing. Copy down this one and tell me if there is any query regarding this numerical. Anyone? I'm pausing the video, kindly note it down. Students who are done with this question and have no doubts regarding this question, they are requested to kindly proceed with question number 15's diagram. I want you all to try question number 15's diagram and show me if you have done with it. Let's see how many can make the diagrams properly. Bring the diagram. Now you all will confirm if you got the same diagram or not. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man is standing on the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. When it approaches the foot of the tower with a uniform speed 6 seconds later. Now this is a very important and a very mind-boggling question, because it will cover two concepts. One is speed time concept and the other is obviously heights and distance concept. So after 6 seconds the angle of depression is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. Is it clear? Yes or no? Question has been understood. Let's look at the diagram. Our AB happens to be the tower out here. First the car is at this point, 30 degrees given, this angle of depression 30 degree, and then after 6 seconds, this distance covered was 6 seconds. So after 6 seconds it's reached as a point C where the angle of depression had changed to 60 degree. Is it clear? Confirm, boys. They are asking you that what is the amount of time taken by the car to reach from point C to point D. Is it clear? I hope people have seen cars. Yes or no? Confirm, boys. Your people are responding so late. No sir, we are coming from Stone Age, we haven't seen cars. Yesterday only we saw cars. You're being so late. Now this is car. Okay, the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Now the very important thing is to be noted out here that the car is traveling with a uniform speed, and I would expect you all to know the formula. Distance is equals to speed into time. I hope this formula is clear to everyone. Yes or no? You have done this formula time and again in physics. I don't think I'll have to go in depth of this formula where what is D, what is S and what is time. Distance, speed and time. Since the speed is uniform, therefore the points D to point C, the speed is same as C to B speed. Is it clear? So we'll be moving on. First of all, now in heights and distances, what is the most important thing required? Distance, right? Over here at no point of time they have given us the distance, but they have told that the uniform speed. So do we know the speed formula will be distance by time? Yes or no? And the time of course has been given. First is from C to point D to point C is 6 seconds. So in triangle in this triangle, the smaller one, tan 60 will be equals to AB by BC. We'll be getting the first equation. Please confirm AB is equals to root 3 BC. Confirm if this side is root 3 BC. Moving on to the bigger triangle, when we have the angle of depression as 30 degrees, tan 30 will be equals to AB by BD, yes or no? Boys, confirm. AB by BD, A or AB again comes out to be BD by root 3, and your AB is also root 3 by BC. So from these two steps, can we say that 3BC is equals to BD, yes or no? Confirm. We have just compared equation 1 and 2, that is root 3 BC is equals to BD divided by root 3. Cross multiply, we'll be getting BD is equals to thrice of BC. Is this thing clear or not? We have got a relation out here. Now we have to use this relation with that 6 seconds one. Clear? Now we'll further break this BC. If you want to break BC, you can break BC. You want to break BD, you can break BD. We choose to break BD out here. So can we say that twice BC is equals to CD? Yes or no? Or your BC, why is this coming on top again? Or BC will be equals to half of CD. That is BC is equals to half of CD. Yes or no? Now look very carefully. The time taken by the car is 6 seconds. So the time taken it to travel the distance BC will be 3 seconds. Yes or no? Since it's traveling at a uniform speed. Over here we have successfully found out that BC is equals to CD by 2, right? So BC will be equals to, now the time taken by CD was how much? 6 seconds, right? And since the speed is uniform, this becomes 6 by 2, 3 seconds to travel the distance BC. Please confirm if this question is clear to you all or not. I would expect you to draw the diagram and complete each and every step properly so that you can understand this thing with proper concept. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me immediately. Students who are done with question number 15 properly, kindly draw the diagram for question number 16 and try solving it. This happens to be the last sum of this exercise and this chapter, of course. So I would expect you all to give your time in this so that you will be able to solve it on your own.